Multitasking sounds like a great way to get more done in less time, but the truth is it often does the opposite. Instead of increasing productivity, multitasking can actually reduce how much you accomplish and how well you do it. When you try to do many things at once, your brain has to switch back and forth between tasks. This switching takes time and energy, which slows you down. Studies show that multitasking can reduce productivity by up to 40%. It also increases mistakes and makes it harder to focus deeply. One big problem with multitasking is that it splits your attention. When your focus is divided, you miss important details. This can lead to errors, misunderstandings, and the need to redo work. In the end, multitasking wastes more time than it saves. Multitasking can also increase stress. Jumping between tasks keeps your brain in a constant state of alertness, which can be exhausting. Over time, this stress can hurt your motivation and creativity. So what can you do to avoid multitasking and improve your productivity? First, focus on one task at a time. Prioritize your work and give your full attention to the most important task. Set a specific time to work on it without distractions. Second, organize your tasks. Use to-do lists or apps to plan your day. Group similar tasks together so you can complete them more efficiently. Third, take breaks. Short breaks between tasks help your brain rest and recharge. This improves your focus when you return to work. Finally, create a workspace that supports focus. Remove distractions like phone notifications, social media, or background noise. Remember, quality beats quantity. By avoiding multitasking and focusing on one thing at a time, you can work faster, make fewer mistakes, and feel less stressed. Try these simple steps today and notice how your productivity improves.